You're searching houses on the MLS or Zillow and you come across two houses that are the same. They look the same, they're the same size, they're the same floor plan, they're even on the same street, but they're different prices. Why? Lacey here with Bella Vista Homes, bringing you knowledge on all things new homes, mortgages, and construction. Let's dive in. Now I want to preface by saying I was a realtor in my past life, and this question really did come up. And although some of the topics and subjects I make videos on may seem obvious and you may think you don't have anything helpful to share with people either, but don't think you don't have something worthwhile to share. You do. Thinking that you don't is called the curse of knowledge. Once you know something, it seems obvious, but you didn't always know that thing. The bar I always set for what I share is the one person impact. If I share a tip that impacts just one other person, then it's worth sharing. So, new home builder price differentiations. So when new builders build a home, they generally have a base price. And this base price is created by adding up all the costs associated with building that home, which includes materials and labor. It also includes features in that home that are considered standard. Some typical standard features include a 2-car garage, fiberglass tub, 9-foot ceilings. If you speak to several different new home builders, you will likely notice that the base price is not the same from builder to builder. This is because each builder includes a different list of included features. Okay, so base prices on houses. We have that down. Now, these homes that are listed are already done or very close to being done, and that's why they're on the MLS. They've had additional upgrades added to the price, and that's where the price variations come into play. First, different lots have different premiums, different lot premiums, which is just the cost of that specific land that the house is built on. And then there's different elevation costs, which are different. Brick is expensive, so if one of the houses has more brick in the front, that elevation is going to be more expensive. Now, moving on to the interior. Some upgrades that might have been added could be a tile surround in the shower instead of fiberglass. There might be a kitchen island added, upgraded light fixtures, a covered back patio. There are a lot of things that could have been added. And all of these items I just listed, when they get added together and make that total purchasing price, they will not be exactly the same. Even though it may appear to be the same house on the same street with the same floor plan. Here at Bella Vista, we will assist you with understanding new home pricing. We know all the questions and most of the answers, and we will be with you every step of the process. Let's talk soon. In the meantime, if there's anything at all I can help with, don't hesitate to reach out.